Hi friends, we are continue with our adding with 8. But first, it's a skip counting review, and remember, when we skip count, we are doing skip count by 2s. We are doing even and odds. Now, if you look at my numbers up here, the dark ones are even, the light ones are odd. Let's go. Remember, we're only going to count the dark ones today. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job! Skip counting by 2s and counting the even numbers with me. Tom only has 8 goldfish and 5 angelfish. How many fish does Tom have? I'm going to have to give 2 of these over here to fill those holes, and then that whole thing is full, and then I would know it is 10 because I know my 10 frames. Let's do that. I have 3 left over. Just like when I used my number bonds and I broke it apart, and I could give 2 to the 8 and have 3 left over. 8 and 2 is 10, so 10 and 3, 10 fish and 3 fish equal 13 fish. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Make 10 by circling and solving. Well, I can look at this and know I have 8 because I know my 5 cards. 5 on top and 3 on the bottom is 8. This is 3 all by itself. I think I have to give some of that 3 to the 8 in order to make 10. Let's do that now. Here we go. I also broke up with a number bond my 3. I know this 2 is going to go to the 8 because 8 plus 2 is 10. I have 1 left over, just like in my picture. 10 and the leftover 1 equals 11. So that means 8 plus 3 equals 11. Here we're going to do the same thing, except my number is now 4. I'm going to have to give the 8 2 of these to fill it and make it look like a 10 frame. Let's do that now. We also filled out our number bond because we can break the 4 into 2 and 2. So that means 10 and my leftover I didn't give to the 8 would give me 8, 10, and 2 is 12. So that means 4 plus 8 is 12. Make a math drawing using a 10 frame to show you how to solve 10. I've drawn my 10 frame in. So let's take a look. I'm going to do 8 plus 4 just like in the last problem. So I broke it apart. I have 8 of the red circles just like in the last problem, and I have 4 blue ones. But I started filling the box first. Now my 10 frame is full, but I still had 2 dots left over. Just like here, using my number bond, 8 and 2 is 10. Breaking the 4 apart, I still had 2 left over. So I now have 8 plus 4 equals 10 plus 2. What does that equal? It equals 12 because I have 10 here. 10, 11, 12. Make a math drawing using the 10 frame to show you made 10 to solve. So I am going to have 8 in here, and I'm going to have to fill it with 6 and put my leftovers outside. I'll also have to fill out the number bond, giving 2 to the 8, and 2 and 4. Yes, 2 and 4 make 6. Let's check. Yeah, 2 and 4 make 6. And here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I knew I needed 2 to fill my 10 frame, and there are the rest of them. 6 plus 8 equals 10 plus 4, but they both also equal 14. Nice job.